Okay, this is the dog vomit slime mold, Fuligo septica, and a slime mold is an organism that I'm seeing a couple of other species on the log here too. So, but anyway, one at a time. So this is a organism on Earth that during the reproductive phases it looks like a fungus, and during the vegetative phases it looks like an animal, like a amoeba. So it creeps through the forest floor and over logs and whatnot, eating bacteria and fungus and whatnot. And I'm not sure if it goes much further than that, but anyway, so then it dries. If at this point right now it's 80 degrees and it's been raining, and so this is very ideal. There's quite a few slime molds in the giant city area, and this is one of them, the dog vomit. And apparently this is the 6th one I've identified. But anyway, interesting organism. Like I said, it's slime molds are unlike pretty much anything else on Earth. And there you go.